Hello everyone, let's solve the question. There is a floor bracket, square bracket and small bracket is given. First we need to simplify this bracket. So let me start. 9 square minus bracket of 3 cube times 2 plus 5 times bracket of 7 minus 4 square value is 16 minus 3 times of 2 square value is 4, and then bracket close, write the remaining. Divide by 2, bracket close, minus 3 to the power of 1 bracket plus 1. So 16 minus, here this operation is multiplication, 3 times 4 is 12. So remaining as it is, bracket of 3 cube times 2 plus 5 and then times 7 minus 16 minus 12 here. Keep in the bracket, divided by 2 and then bracket close, minus 3 raised to the power of 1 bracket of plus 1 here. So here final step of small bracket, 9 square minus 3 cube times 2 plus 5 times of 7 minus 16 minus 12 is 4 divided by 2 and then close the bracket, minus 3 raised to the power of 1 plus 1. Now we have to simplify the square bracket. So that is equal to 9 square minus bracket of 3 cube times 2 plus 5 times of 7 minus, here 4 divided by 2 is 2. We have to do the division operation. So 4 divided by 2 is 2. Close the bracket, minus 3 power 1 floor bracket plus 1. Keep continuing. 9 square minus bracket of 3 cube times 2 plus 5 times of 7 minus 2 is 5 minus 3 to the power of 1 bracket of plus 1. Here we have removed square bracket as well, so we have to simplify the floor bracket finally. So 9 square minus bracket of, here simplify the exponent, 3 raised to the power of 3 is 27 times 2 plus 5 times 5 is 25 minus 3 power 1 is 3. Close the bracket plus 1. That is equal to 9 square minus bracket of 27 times 2 is 54 plus 25 minus 3. Close the bracket plus 1. That is equal to 9 square minus bracket of, here 54 plus 25, I am adding 79 minus 3. Close the bracket plus 1. We will continue here. 9 square minus, simplifying 79 minus 3, I'll get 76 plus 1. That is equal to 9 square value is 81 minus 76 plus 1. 81 minus 76 is 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. Here 6 is my final answer. Thanks for watching.